making a hurricane, folks. This is how a hurricane works in the real world. Stir it until it's spinning real good. Probably got ourselves a category 2 by now. I think that's good. And quickly unscrew your food coloring and drop it in the center. And you got yourself a spectacular hurricane. All right, and the science behind this is that it intensifies very, very quickly, and it creates this eye in the center. You can see that dark green part of the storm right there on the plate, and you see how it's starting to fade. That's the weakening sensation of the storm, and when that happens, basically think of it as like Hurricane Milton. When Hurricane Milton was a little itty bitty tropical storm, and then it formed an eye as it got bigger, as it continued increasing its wind field. And then its eye got bigger, and then its eye eventually dissipated here. And this is the eye dissipating cycle. And then its wind field really increases. That's what happened with Milton, and that's what happens with most hurricanes. So that was the hurricane experiment.